Greetings to one and all watching this. I'm Deepak from Group 1 of Section E.
I'm Auditro from Group 1 of Section E.
Today we're here to reflect upon our PBT assignment. Been quite interesting, hasn't it?
Yeah. It was a roller coaster ride for all of us. The journey was pretty amazing. We got to learn so many things. Now we were given a task to solve a problem for a company using Excel.
We chose a dental company based in Bangalore, and we decided to help them with their record keeping by using Excel functions such as pivot tables, macros, data validation, VLOOKUP, and other basic functions.
I worked there for a few months as a front office executive. So a part of my job was to enter the treatments and transactions on an Excel document, which would then be verified for different purposes through their property management system, Practo. And during this entire process, I would face a lot of repetitive work. And I thought that maybe if we could make it easier for the company, because I did have a personal connect to it. And so that was that. And I'm happy that the group chose it.
We decided to design an Excel sheet by improvising on what the company was already using. Not only did we decide to make it more interactive, but also more user-friendly so that all the users could make sense of the data as well as the insights. So this is the guide that we designed that would help the user navigate across the different sheets in the Excel document. This is the primary data that we acquired from the company. It's the details pertaining to the month of May that we later on used to create the framework of the new document. So it contains details such as the date, the location center where the treatment was done, the name of the patient ID, which acts as a primary key, followed by the invoice number, receipt numbers, the treatment that was taken place, followed by the department under which it belongs to, the total cost minus discount, which gives rise to the actual production and the mode of payment. It also has information about the treatment doctor as well as the treatment coordinator involved in the particular case. It must be noted that the details of the patients and the doctors as well as the treatment coordinators have been modified to protect the interests of the patient as well as the company.
Hello everyone, my name is Nishant and this is my group mate Surendra.
Hello everyone, now Nishant and I will reflect on what happened after we got the data from the company.
In order to understand the problem at a much deeper level, we went to Mr. Manu, who is an HR manager there.
HR manager mentioned that towards the end of the month he would face a lot of issues with respect to the payroll management. Doctors and treatment coordinators were allowed a percentage of the actual production as a consultancy charge. And towards the end of the month, the manager would find it difficult to tally the actuals with what was entered in the management system. So we decided to use functions like the macro, VLOOKUP, and other supporting functions to help create a more interactive and efficient manner to compute the consultancy charge at any point of time. So for example, if I would like to compute the consultancy charge of Dr. John, whose total production is this amount, with the click of the button, the consultancy charge is displayed, and this can be done at any point of time, doesn't have to be towards the end of the month.
Hello everyone, this is Keerti and my teammate.
My name is Ahmed. So we are from Group 1 from Section E.
When we spoke to Mr. Afi, the finance manager, we understood that the various methods of payment would lead to confusion. The actual amount entered in the PMS did not always match with the amount collected.
And another problem is that they have meeting every week, so they have to gather data because they want to make the forecast of their sales, their medicines, and their everything. So digging data is not an easy thing.
In order to check the accuracy of the modes of payments and the actual amounts received, we use pivot tables to create a table which has the different modes of payments on a regular basis, so that can be tallied with the actual tender present with the cashier and the amount credited to the bank. And we've also created a timeline that can be used to toggle across different days and different months. To assist the managers in their meetings and make better decisions and forecasts, we designed a dashboard that has information regarding the doctor-wise production, the location-wise production, department-wise production, the treatment coordinators who were involved along with their production as well. And we can accurately compare two doctors. For example, if I would like to compare the production of Dr. Anne as well as Dr. John. So these are insights that will help make better decisions for the manager.